Your mind won't stop racing, overthinking everything. You're not alone. Here are 7 easy ways to stop overthinking all the time. Watch till the end, because number 7 is the most powerful one. Number 1. Focus on what you can control. Overthinking often comes from worrying about things we can't control. So instead of wasting energy, shift your focus to what you can do. Ask yourself, what action can I take right now? This helps your mind stay active instead of anxious. Control brings peace, worry doesn't. Number 2. Set a timer for thinking. Give yourself a specific time to think. Yes, seriously. Set a timer for 10 or 15 minutes, then let your thoughts flow. Once time's up, tell yourself, I've done enough thinking for now. This trains your brain to stop the endless loops. You'll be surprised how much calmer you feel after. Number 3. Distract yourself with purpose. If your brain won't shut off, shift your focus. Do something that fully grabs your attention. Walk, cook, clean, or listen to music. This isn't running away. It's redirecting your mental energy. Overthinking grows in stillness, so get moving with intention. The goal is not escape, it's balance. Number 4. Challenge your thoughts. Ask yourself, is this really true, or just my fear talking? Most of what we overthink never even happens. Don't believe every thought you have, question it. Write it down, read it aloud, and see how it sounds. Truth is calm, fear is loud. Know the difference. Number 5. Limit information intake. Too much news, too much social media, it feeds your mind more to worry about. Pick a time each day to go offline and give your brain a break. Constant input leads to mental overload. You don't have to know everything all the time. Silence creates space for peace. Number 6. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness means bringing your focus to the present, not the past, not the future, just this moment. Take 5 slow breaths and feel each one. Notice the sounds, smells, and sights around you. Your brain can't overthink when it's busy experiencing now. Number 7. Talk to someone you trust. Sometimes your thoughts need to come out of your head. Speak to someone you trust, a friend, family member, or even a therapist. Saying it aloud helps you see it more clearly. They might offer a new perspective you didn't think of. You're not weak for talking, you're wise for letting it out. Overthinking steals your peace, don't let it win. Which tip will you try first?